girl trending on Twitter. I can't remember her name, but her dad used to sexually assault her, and then she took her life. So it trended on Twitter right before I went to Big Brother's house, and I was inspired and honestly kind of sad by it, because I mean it's one thing, I don't even know how to put it, but sexual assault is so deep and rape is so deep, and I can't imagine being in a space where somebody that was supposed to protect you was the person, you know, doing those things to you. So I wrote this, so I'm going to start. My father named me Ifunaya, a name I had now grown to hate, but even if I could change my name now, I felt like I would be erasing my existence. I needed to keep the name to remind me of the pain. And now, as I look into his grave, as my wailing mother poured sand over his face, I felt nothing but disgust for him.